How can your friends see your cameo selfie in ads on Snapchat, of course? Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snapchat. Then, when my Snapchat is opening, you go here and open your profile. Then go to this settings. After settings, go to Cameos and click. Then go to see who can see my cameo selfies in add, click, and you will change it to my friends. And now everything is done, guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.